Baba ka, baba. Bakit dyan mo kami ba? Ang hirap ng aray ko. Ang hirap ng umahan. Tatlo lang po pwede. Namami. Yan na. Bababa ka na. Bro, hindi ka niyan. Madumi yan. Tayo ka na. Dapat kita. Dapat. Dapat. Bro, masakit yan. Masakit. Nasalo niya din eh.
Alright, so before we start this, magpapakilala po muna kami. We are the Event Kids ng Este Marilao. I'm your host for today. My name is Kuya Jason. Hi! At kasama natin si Ate Kat at si Ate Gay. Let's say hi to them. Alright. So kids, nagda-dance ba kayo? Okay, so samahan niyo kami mag-dance si Ate Kat. Okay, so music Ate Gay, one more po. Okay, ready kids? Come on, please. Link up. Then point to the right. Then point to the left. Good job. Then move your hands and your body like this. Good job. And one more kiss. Ready? Good. Link up. Point to the right and point to the left. Hooray! Good job, kids! So, para sa ating game for today, then yung mga kids po natin, sit down muna kayo, kids. Okay? Let us sit down. Alright, so kids, listen, okay? So, para sa ating Team A, kids, ang team leader ninyo ay si Kuya. What is your name? Renz? Alright, so para sa ating Team A, your team leader is Kuya Renz. Let's say hi to Kuya Renz. Alright, thank you Kuya Renz. So, abang ka muna. And para sa ating Team B, ang team leader ninyo ay si Kuya. What is your name, Kuya? Andrew. So, para sa ating Team B, ang team leader ninyo ay si Kuya Andrew. Let's say hi to Kuya Andrew. Alright, so thank you Kuya Andrew. So, ituturo ni Kuya Andrew at ni Kuya Renz yung game mechanics para sa ating shoot ng ball. Alright? So, para sa ating shoot that ball, we need also a ball. So, para sa ball na isi-shoot nyo sa white basket, anong color po yung isi-shoot nyo? White. Alright. So, pakihawak Kuya Renz. Alright. Then, at the same time, kung kulay blue ang basket, what color of the balls ang isi-shoot po natin? Blue. Okay, pakihawak Kuya. So, ang gagawin nyo lang kids, all you need to do is to shoot your balls at the basket. Ready? Go! Alright. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin, kids, okay? Para sa ating shoot natin. So, to that, please pause and enjoy the game. Alright, kids, are you ready? Alright, so you may stand up na. Then, kids, grab yourself into Team A and Team B. Go! Team A, one line po tayo para sa ating Team A. Arms forward. Then, ganun din po sa ating Team B. Arms forward. Alright? So, sino may gusto sa Team A and Team B? Fall in line po tayo, kids. Fall in line. Then, pagpila po Ate Gail and Ate Kat kung equal po yung ating mga team members. Then, arms po kami po sa balikat ng inyong katabi, kids. Sa harapan ng inyong katabi. Ilan po sila? 7 sa Team B. How about Ate Kat? Ilan po sa inyo? 3. Inihan ng cheer. Parinig na po. 1, 2, 3, go! Ha? Ano? Nagkaiba-iba na kayo. Ano? 1, 2, 3, go! Sabi nila po, Team A. Sino yung Team A? Okay, kids. Eyes forward. Then pupunta na po tayo sa ating ball area to be followed by Team A and Team B. Come on, kids. Eyes forward.
Mahihain pala si Andrew.
Careful lang po, kids. Yung Team A po dito po sa aking right side. Dito po kayo, Team A. Team A, wala po yung nalagpas po sa line. Wala po lang po sa line po sa Team A and also the Team B. Dito po sa aking left side. so yung mga hawak mo po na, yun yung gagawin mo ng mga shoot sa sasakyan ng hawak ni Nabiga at ni Nabigay. Alright? Then kids, additional reminders lang kids, wala po lalagpas po sa line. Kaya pag lumagpas po tayo sa line, maaari po tayo na-disqualify. Alright? So okay po ba, Team A? Okay, sa Team B, okay. Good. Alright, so okay. Go on the kids. Alright, then ready? Okay na, wala po kasi natin yung go, kids. Wala po tayo yung mag-shoot na po. Okay? So, para sa ating Team A, are you ready? And Team B, are you ready? Alright, so, get ready, Team A and Team B, because we will start the first round of the shoot that ball in 3, 2, 1, go! Team C, ready, go! 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Okay, hands up, Team A. Kung susunod ng botis, ha? Pag-work na po yan, pag-work. Nalagdag ka pa. Alright, so okay, samahan nyo na mabilang natin ang pinakigay. Okay, tatalaga natin ko sa inyo, mas maraming ball na shoot. So ready, kids, let's go! 1, 2, 3, yes! Okay na para sa ating first round ngayon, Team A! Go sa ating Team B, okay na natin ang ating second round. Alright, tapos kung talaga ka po na ay, natatatalang po sa natin. Okay? So, mas galing natin Team B dahil meron na 1 point ang Team A. Okay? So, kids, get ready! Natin po yung mga natin. Stand up, kids! Stand up na po yung sa kids, ha? So, get ready because we will start the second round. 2, 1, go! 15, 14, 13, go! 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop! Gumagalaw lang po siya. Ito po ang kiss. Alright, so mas galing natin ba siya ng kiss, okay? So, para sa ating Team A, are you ready to win? Team B, are you ready to win? So, get ready because we will start the final round of the shoot and ball in 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, Team A, Team B. Alright, good job. So, guys, samahan nyo yung everybody ang natin natin. Okay, so ready, kids? Let's go! 1, 2, alright, so the winning team of the shoot that ball is Team B! Team B, okay, alright, so Team A ang boys sa Team B, then Team B ang boys sa Team A, okay? So kids, para sa ating Team A, gagawin team natin ang Team B, bibigyan natin sila ng 5 plus. Stand up, kids, and hands up, Team A, hands up, and let's give them a 5 plus. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Congratulations sa Team B, and Team B, dahil ginawa nila ng best ng Team A, bibigyan natin sila ng 3 plus. Okay, so Team B, hands up. And let's give them a 3 plus. Ready? 1,